Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I've been changing brake pads on the BMW X3, and one thing that I didn't include in the brake pad replacement video was the wear indicator, and so I'm going to do that. I've got a new one here. There it is. And looks like it's the right type. I replaced the one on the back when I did the back pads, and yeah, but it wasn't quite contained in the video, and it started raining, so I did that one afterwards. Anyway, I'm going to do the front one. I disconnected the pad from this end from the old pads when I replaced them. You can see the new pads in there. When it was in the old pad, it was into this hole in the top, so that's where the wear indicator goes. I can show you how that would fit into there. They kind of clip into, difficult to see, sorry. These clip into the top of the pad, the end of it, like that. Yeah, so obviously I pulled that out when I replaced the pads. I'll just take that one out of there, and I'll show you how to take it out all around the car. So what you have is it's underneath this grease point here. So it's just, sorry, I've got it in view. There we go. So I'll just tweak that off here. And that needs to come off there. There we go. That's now off there. It goes around the back of here, so it's the lower one on that fitting there, so that needs to come out of there. So I'm just using a sort of large flat screwdriver to push these. We're doing it that way. Just push out, doesn't want to, I want it to stay down there. There we go, it does just push out sideways. And then up here, it comes in at the top here, and it goes into the box. Now the box has some clips on it. So if I just unclip this, you'll see that then opens. There we go. And the one we want is this white one here, and it goes in and coming out the bottom of the connections onto the car, which we have to be quite gentle with this. But looking up there, there's a sorry, I'm going to do this all double-handed. I need to get this fitting out here, and kind of in the way without buggering anything up. Doesn't want to come out. It's easy to do things two-handed. Yeah, a bit tight, there we go. Just need to undo this clip. It's just show you how it's together. There it is. It has a sort of clip at the bottom there, which I'll prise off. I'm going to stick the screwdriver in and just sort of ease it. Oh, there we go. Sorry, it's got a push clip on it the other side. So yeah, you can see that there. There's a little tab which I'm going to press and pull it apart. It says open. There we go. Pull apart. Right. So that now I have my old lead, and I'll compare that with the new lead. Old lead, new lead. Right, so let's get out of the packet. And hopefully, if I compare these, they are the same. Yeah, it's got similar sort of endy bit. Similar sort of bit there, similar tab there. So yeah, it should, hopefully, I can just thread all this through. So starting where I finished, I'm going to and going up here, I'm going to attach this, just clip this onto here with the clip on one side. It doesn't seem to have a particular way around. And sorry about that. That's gone together, I think. Let's try it the other way around. Nope, only goes one way around. It won't actually fit together the other way around. Pushed together, but it's not really clicking, which is a bit of a shame. Maybe not quite manufactured as well as it should be. Never mind. Hopefully it will be alright when we power it up. Excess bit. I'm not sure why. The other one didn't have that. It seems to be over long at this end. I'm going to tuck that cable up through there so it's out of the way. Put that behind there. I don't know why there's extra cable on this one. But there is. There we go. Tuck that out of the way. And pull this through around the back, where the old one went. Slot it into the old one here. Then, and this doesn't reach the brake. That's really unhelpful. I guess that's why the last one was. How weird. It doesn't actually fit very well. What I'm finding here is that this isn't actually sort of lining up as being the right length, which is a bit annoying. It's almost like they made one size for several different cars. And then the sleeving had to move along to make it fit. So the first bit fit, but to get it to actually come across and fit onto the top here, this bit, as you saw before, it's a kind of got a hexy bit, and that kind of thing goes over here, and squash that down. It'll go over the. Very difficult to do and hold a phone at the same time. Need a camera on my head. That then squashes down onto the top here, and obviously that goes back onto the nipple to keep it clean. Always good to keep your nipples clean. This then would clip into the brake pad, and I can see the hole. Let's try if I can put up into this pad. Not liking these, they're not very well made, and I think there's probably different ones you can buy, but they're fairly inexpensive. They're about £10 for a pair, front and back. So let's clip this into there. So that's clipped into there now, and it will sense. It's clipped onto here so that it is tied into, tied along here. It goes up and it goes through behind here, but as you can see, it's actually separated the sheathing to make it long enough, and then it goes up and it goes around. There we go. It's a flying lesson, and then yeah, it goes up and around the back here, and it goes into the box. Where it drops down in, and the cover is there, that's clipped in there. The cover should then close like so, and that is kind of it, but it's not great. Quality wasn't brilliant. I guess I'll see if it works, but basically that's the procedure. I hope that when you buy one, sorry, you're upside down. I hope when you buy one that you find one that's better quality than the one I just used and actually fits better. But stick it in the comments. See what. Tell me how you got on. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.